Hey, Christy Mattoon here from Mind Rewire one more time. I'm coming to you from the backyard. I just want to show you some of the things that we are doing and we have done. This is a raspberry patch that's absolutely crazy. And I talk to it every day. My husband comes out and talks to it every day and waters it, right? Look at all the sprouts, all the shoots coming up everywhere. So this whole area is going to get filled in, is what we're hoping. Then I forgot to bring, no, I got them right here. What I'm planting right here under the shade of this tree is going to be a ramp garden. And I can show you what a ramp is. That's a ramp that has kind of a dried out leaf on it. I'm going to take this all up. These are ramps. And what you want out of here is I want the root ball. I want the little bundle underneath it, because this will regrow and it'll produce more, just like any bulb does, just like those plants back there, but those aren't edible. These are onion, garlic kind of things. The whole thing is edible, from the green all the way to the base. But if you only take the green and you leave this in, it'll keep reproducing and regrowing. So before long you can have a huge area that's full of ramps. Right, so I'm assuming well, they are highly delicious, but there's some nutrition in here. You've got the chlorophyll in the greens and whatever else that's in these, right? Thinking outside of the box. So here's what I did. You're gonna get poked, crazy. Why are you eating that? Tazzy. Silly goose. So we got a bunch of ramps in at work the other day, and of course we were cutting off the bottoms because they were going to use the tops for whatever. And what did Christy do? She took them home with her. My husband thinks I'm a lunatic, but I keep growing all kinds of stuff doing this, right? I bring these home. They were clean, they were organic, and now I'm going to plant myself a ramp garden. Don't you eat my ramps. Don't you eat those. All right, I bless you. I will show you this when it starts doing something.